Well, evening. It is 8:22 p.m. on October 17th, 2024. Oi, just barely got back in the door after doing a whole bunch of running around today. Put over 300 miles on the car. Lubbock and back, and oh yay. Things are crossway in the exit at this moment from, banding. Such fun stuff. Anyway, I hope everybody's having a wonderful day. This is William from Williams, Philippines. And thank you all, my 187 subscribers, friends, and family. I hope you're all having a blessed day. Literally, I just got back not even 15 minutes ago, 20 minutes at the max. I got down there and tended to the doctor visit. Swung by and got a few directions on how to use my camera from the lady who sold it to me. Picked up a second SD card so I can have swapping in and out, a little more storage space, and use one of them for apparently I have a firmware issue on my camera. Yay. It's got a newer version out that needs to be in there, and when I try to use the camera, it says it doesn't find it. Can't find it because the issue's a firmware update, is what it was saying. I don't know. But she showed me where to find it and how to do it, and I got the SD card for that and the other battery I was going to get. So I now have two batteries for my camera. And I am dead tired. I went to sleep, tried to go, get my sleep. I was going to sleep in, late. That didn't work out. I ended up waking up at about 7 p.m. yesterday. And so here it is, 25 and a half hours later. I'm tired. So yeah, yay. But I did get that done. I did get, yesterday I went over, got the tires rotated. So I can drive down there and the car's driving good. Well, it's got a little stutter in it. I think I picked up some bad gas. I filled it up when I got back here. I went and got a couple of the gas treatments so hopefully that'll help and clean it out and dry it out and get rid of the water in the tank. At least I think that's what it is. At this point, I'm not sure it wasn't just my hearing my own heartbeat, and yeah, I'm not sure. I'm that tired right now. I really do need some sleep. So, yeah, it's been a very long day, but very productive. I just literally got back from going to the retirement investing seminar thingy. Well, I got that, and somewhere I lost the case I keep my phones in. I think it's here in the house. It's just a question of where. And at this point, I'm so tired, I could probably look at it and not even see it. So, yeah. But the guy that did the seminar, his wife is from the Philippines, south of Manila. I forget where he said she was from, but it's south of Manila. So, yay. He's trying to get her over here. He's going through that fun process right now, and that's a good thing. But yeah, a couple of the things he was talking about is what I'm doing with my, with my market account. I may be doing my market account a little bit wrong. I'm going to go talk to him a couple of weeks from now or so. He said something about it should be a Roth IRA or something like that. I forget. I'm tired. Yeah. It has been a very, very long day. The good thing is they fed me a ribeye, 10-ounce ribeye, and it was delicious. And they actually had that thing pretty. I like my steak pretty raw, and they almost got it perfect. Yeah. She looked at the paper and it just said RAW on there for my order, and she like, really? I said, yeah. Pull a John Wayne, knock the hooves off, knock the horns off, wipe its ass, throw a match on it to burn the skin off, and call it cooked. Yeah. A good vet could walk by my steak and get it moving again. Hell, probably a bad vet. Oh. Anyway, yeah. So it was a good steak, and I enjoyed the points he was making. And yeah, although I think he doesn't really understand, I think he understands part of it when it comes down to, it's not inflation, it's not the price of our goods going up, it's the value of our money going down, and having to have, because they're printing more of it. And if they'd have stuck with just having, silver money, well, we could still be living off of $3 a day, or $3 an hour. Yeah. Tell you what, you go look and see what $3 worth of silver back in 1964. How much it weighs, and then go look at today's price for $3 of silver, for that same amount of silver now. What the dollar amount, the paper dollars is costing. I could live real good on what that is. I could live real good on what that is. But they keep, they took us off the real money and gave us toilet paper, Federal Reserve notes. And yeah, that's why you ever wonder why the Fed is always pushing for 2% inflation? Turning our paper into paper, toilet paper used. Anyway. I need sleep. So this is really going to be a short one, folks. I got to get this posted before I forget it. Anyway, Williams, Philippines. I hope y'all are having a blessed day and had a good meal too. I know I actually had a real good one. Kitty cat is trying to love up on me, rub my leg. I've been gone all day. They haven't seen me. Anyway, I hope everybody had a good meal and that your work week is easy on you. All I know is my weekend's been kind of rough on me. But I got a lot of good stuff done. Anyway, blessings, bye-bye. I'm Fish, and hey, Fish is out.